Hi, my name is Mashantha and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a space where I love talking about self-love, skincare and makeup. So if that's the sort of thing that you enjoy, then please keep on watching. Today is a skincare video where I want to just show you my current AM skincare routine. I've just washed my hair and my hair is in this head bun, which is super convenient. It's a lot more gentle than tying your hair in a towel turban. And let's just get started. This is my bare face. I've just had a shower, as is very obvious, and I've used my Dermdor cleanser. And you can see that I am dealing with a bit of acne and also a bit of pigmentation on the sides of my cheeks. It doesn't look too bad, but I think in person my skin is quite textured and not its best. Now for toning, I'm using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA toner. This is a brilliant toner. I just use a few drops on my hand. It smells amazing, just like watermelon does. And I just pat that water onto my face. Instantly, my skin feels quenched and a lot less dry. Repeating the same process, I'm taking a few drops of the toner and dapping it onto my neck. As a process, I always use the same skincare on my neck and on the backs of my hands as well. We tend to ignore these areas, and those are the areas where the first signs of aging appear. But this is what I'm doing. I'm spreading the toner all across my face. Now it's time for a short hot water break. I love having something hot in the morning. It can be hot water, it can be water with ACV, it can be coffee, chai, anything. I just love having something hot. And please excuse my clumsiness and my dumbness. I don't know what I was thinking. I was trying to show you guys a glass of hot water. Anyway, I obviously created a bit of a mess in the process. Now I'm just going in to look at and see whether the toner has been well absorbed, and it seems to have. My skin feels a bit more plumper than before, and I think it's primed for the next step. Now it's time for eye cream. Now for some eye cream, I'm using the Inkylist Brighten Eye Cream, and I'm using a pea-sized amount for both my eyes. I really enjoy this eye cream. It's got the best texture, not too light but not too heavy either, and it sinks in really well into my skin. So first I go in with my eye cream using only my ring finger to massage the product all across my eyes. Once that's massaged, I use this metal tip which is on top of the eye product, and it feels so cold to touch temperature wise, and it's perfect for massage, perfect for depuffing your eyes. And I love to use this in the morning every day. I essentially go in with circular motions, both clockwise and anti-clockwise, on both my eyes. It takes me less than a minute, but the results just last for such a long time. Now time to get in some hydration. I'm using the Blythe Crystal Ice Plant Press Serum. Using the spatula to get some of the product. And oh wait, that's a bit too much than I usually do. I usually use maybe 3/4 of that. And it's like a clear gel formula. So I'm just dabbing this all over my face and then massaging my face with it. This is also very cool to touch. So it feels really nice when you use this, as part of your AM skincare routine. I usually like giving a bit of rest between the layers in my skincare routine to avoid product pilling. Zooming in for a close up of my face definitely looks a lot more plumper, a lot more quenched. Now it's time for moisturizer to seal that newfound hydration in. I'm using the Selfless by Hyram, powered by Inky List niacinamide moisturizer. It's decent, it's nothing to write home about, it's not too bad either. So I'm just dabbing this product all across my face and massaging this into my face. This does strike the right balance between hydration and moisturization without being too heavy or overpowering. Once that's absorbed, it's time for sunscreen. I'm using the Requil sunscreen with SPF 50 PA4 pluses. This is the first time that I'm using it, and I'm dabbing the product all across my face. I know this may seem excessive, but it's really important to take sunscreen seriously. You need to wear sunscreen even if you're not planning to step out. And that's why, while it seems like a lot, it is a step that I never regret and I tend to overinvest in. And yeah, I'm trying to apply the product, and it's clearly leaving quite a bit of a white cast. I was trying to smell the product as well. Initially, it came across as unscented, but after a point, I could feel a
I don't know how to describe the scent. It seems like a mix of plastic and herbal. It's a really weird scent which goes off in a bit, but you can't avoid it while you're applying it. Clearly this product has quite a deep cast, and I had to really work with the product. Some of it might also be my fault because I probably used a bit too much, but honestly, you're supposed to use 2 fingers of sunscreen, and I just used one because this was the first time I was using it. But you can clearly see the amount of work I needed to put in to make sure that white cast went away, and it still took quite some time. But after I probably like 3-4 minutes of massaging, that white cast finally disappeared, and at least it didn't get stuck in my eyebrows or my hairline, which some other sunscreens tend to do. And yeah, I am constantly on the lookout for affordable made in India sunscreens. So let's see how this holds up. Today was just the first time that I was using this. Now it's time for lip balm. I'm using the Pat McGrath mini lip balm in a clear shade, and this is one of my more enjoyable lip balms out there.
And that's my AM skincare routine. I hope you found this useful. The idea is not to talk about, hey, you have to use these products. The idea is more to showcase the current steps that I have in my minimal skincare routine. I find these number of steps work best for me. I have gone through this entire loop of not doing anything for my face, and then you're doing 10-15 steps for my face every day, morning and night, and both have not worked for me. I think a minimal routine works best for me. Yeah, these are the current products that I am trying. You can consider trying a similar routine with the products that work for you. And if you're here till the very end, and if you enjoyed this and this video resonated with you, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you otherwise like this video, like my channel, like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and spreading the word. It does wonders for me and my motivation. Thank you all so very much, and have a great time whenever you're watching this. Bye.